today we're going to be adding some things to our Rodecaster Pro II. And when I say adding some things, I'm talking about adding some buttons. So we're going to go ahead and add some of these pretty colored buttons over here so we can hit stuff and we can have it be directly into our show. So in order to do that, I'm going to switch over to the Mac and we're going to open the Rodecaster Central, Rode Central. I don't know. I'm making up terms now. Rodecaster Pro, Central, whatever the business is. So when you click on this and you're connected to a USB-C, you can go ahead and go to your Rodecaster Pro II. At that point, you can go to Customize Smart Pads. So we're going to go ahead and click on Customize Smart Pads. What are your smart pads? Your smart pads are those things that are colorful. We're about to customize them. All right, so currently we have music red. When I hit the red button on this thing right here, we get our funky podcast music. Feel it. And it's good. I mean, this audio mixer, you get that song for free. It might be worth it just because of that. Now, in order to do this, you're going to enter transfer mode. We're about to go into transfer mode. We hit continue. And on the Rodecaster, you can't see it because there's a glare. That's not going to help. Doesn't matter. It says you're in transfer mode, and then there's a little button right there that says exit transfer mode, which we don't want to do. Now what we're going to do is go to the next page, and then we're going to go to the next page because we already have some effects. So we're going to page 3 here, and if we scooch back over to our Rodecaster, you're going to see all the pretty colors went away because we have not assigned them yet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a track that was donated by a former student, Mr. Frank Slowinski from Frank Slow Films. The Greatest Jock Itch is the name of this song. I didn't make that up. That's his title. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and slide this over, and now we know it's a T. So we're going to go ahead and click the plus button. This is going to allow us to add a file. So I've already downloaded this, and we're going to go ahead and drag it over here and drop it like this, and it's going to assign that pad. What color should we make this song, Diego? The Greatest Jock Itch.
Red.
Red. It's music. What you could probably do is make sure that all of your music is assigned to red. It's not a terrible idea. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. So what you're going to notice here is that there's a red button there on page 3, which is going to be the Greatest Jock Itch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and exit transfer mode, and the next time that we have a podcast or anything, any video, we're just going to be like, what's up, y'all? Today on the show, we got our friend Diego.
Howdy.
Yeah, we're gonna chill out the music a little bit, give ourselves a little bit of a background vibe. Is that good? Yeah. Can you feel that?
Yeah, I feel like I'm in the club right now.
Yeah. Is that something?
It is. I feel like I just got transferred myself
to a whole nother plane of existence. So that, my friends, is it. Really, that's as easy as that, to assign different pads and songs. All you need to do is get your sound effects, you get your music, and the sky's the limit. The bells are ringing. At the buzzer, we finish this video. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.